You're savage!
And today, I'm here with my friend,
Swag! What is up, guys? We're at my recording studio. And Jake, you can start it off. What are we doing today?
Today we are making slime!
Hope you guys saw that. There will be a word bank up there. And here we got borax solution,
Yes.
the glue, and
Yes.
our balls here. So we're going to get the setup now. And yeah, so we'll see you guys with the setup. Step 1, we are going to add the glue.
Not the water?
No, glue.
Okay. Add the glue!
To me and you.
Okay, go. Pour it.
Oh god. Oh god.
No, don't put all of it in there.
No, I think we should just do one batch.
Okay.
We don't need that.
Get it all out.
Get the glue all out. I think that's good.
Yep. Now we add the water.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we mix it
Now we mix.
until it turns to slime. Oh, it's working.
Oh
my
god.
Ah! It's turning to slime, guys. Oh my god.
Should we add more?
Yep.
Water.
More borax solution. I think it's already turning into slime.
This looks. Oh, this looks.
Oh yes, we can almost play with it, guys.
Just.
Oh god, not
Oh.
yet. Not yet.
Oh no. No. More water would make it
No, yeah.
smoother.
Okay, now, yo, you need it
We
smooth.
need to work at it.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh god.
Oh my god!
Go get water, Jake. Go get water. Go get water. Oh god. Jake, stop.
No, don't put more water. What are you doing?
We need to mix it first. We failed. No, did we fail?
Well,
Oh wait, no. You just need to mix it and then. Yo, look, it's coming off.
just squeeze it. Oh, it's actually getting better.
Is it? I think I
Yes.
just need to mix it more. So we'll see you guys when it turns to slime. Just trim it.
Maybe just like pour out the water and just have the slime,
Or
so we can work at
You
it.
just need to mix it.
No, pour out the water.
Wait,
Like, get a sieve and pour out the water.
no. The borax is so nice. And we can make another.
Why is these lumpy bits in there?
I don't know. Okay, stop. Oh god, Jake.
Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna have more.
Oh.
Put it back in. What does it say? If your slime is too sticky, mix the batch of borax powder with a quarter cup of warm and slowly add a drop of solution to your slime.
A drop. A drop.
Oh god.
A drop.
If you add too much borax to your, it will lose the stretchiness.
Oh,
If this happens to be, microwave for 10 seconds.
Oh gosh. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Let's just wash our hands so I can hold the camera while we microwave it. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, let's go in the microwave.
Let's go wash our hands
Yo,
so I
okay.
can hold up
Come.
the iPads. No,
Yo.
just leave it here.
Yeah, let's go microwave.
No,
Yo,
we need to
Lee.
wash our hands.
Yo, come. Run. Hey guys, it didn't work. We're gonna go microwave it.
It's still too sticky and wet.
Yeah, so let's go microwave it.
Look at that cat.
Oh god. Like 10 seconds.
10 seconds. The 10 seconds of doom.
Oh god. What is right?
Timer is ticking. Oh my god. Okay, seven.
2, 1.
Hit it.
Stop.
It's done. Open it up.
Boom!
Open it up. How does it look? Oh my god.
It actually looks better.
Oh my god. How does it feel?
It feels weird.
Does it feel better?
No.
Put it for longer.
I think we just need to play
Put
with
it for
it.
longer. Put it for longer.
Oh wait, it's actually a slime now.
Put it for longer.
A slime.
Oh, okay.
You just need to mix with it.
Come. Put it on
Oh god. I need to add more activator.
Put it on the table.
I'm gonna add more activator, guys. Oh my god. Let's see what happens.
More. Putting more.
Yep.
Wasn't that the stuff that made it bad?
No, it turns it into slime. Look. Oh snap. Oh god. Guys, it was a fail. Never
Failed.
make slime.
Wait a minute. This is.
Wait, put it back.
Use your hands.
No, Jake,
Use your
it's gonna fall.
No, it's not.
No, put it straight. This is our finishing project.
Wait.
Wow.
Wait. Yeah.
Not what I call slime.
I'm gonna feel it. Ooh, that's not slime.
It's all clump.
God.
Wait, that is kind of slime.
Yummy.
Oh no! I hate the last blocked off. Oh snap! This is so cringe.
Oh God.
This is going on your channel.
The cringy one.
I think this is a good time to plug my channel, guys. Swag Gang for Life. We only got 4 subscribers.
This is hard stuff, guys. There's like a hard.
Okay,
stuff.
guys. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like
What's
and
that?
subscribe to our channels. My channel will be in the link in the description.
What is that?
God.
What am I finding? What is that?
What?
It's hard stuff in here. It's like brown.
It's brown. It's brown.
What is it?
Oh wait, I think it's turned to slime.
Oh my
Put
God!
it down. It's a miracle, guys. It's a miracle. It's turning to slime.
It actually is, guys. This
It actually is
intense.
insane.
Check. Oh,
Oh god. It's turning to slime.
we have to have, but there's still weird hard stuff.
Yeah, just need to add more.
The magic.
Too much.
Ooh,
Is it slime?
it's not
It doesn't-
liquid. Guys, check that.
Actually, it's slime. We made slime, guys. But it's not satisfying slime.
It's not the best slime.
It's not the butter slime, guys. That's what we try to make. Oh god! Ah! There will be a part 2 of me making slime on my channel, guys.
Wait. This might be a good one. Oh,
Ooh.
it's not the best slime in the world.
But it's ours.
It's savage slime.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Wait, this is actually a type of new slime, guys. This is savage slime.
Ooh. Wait. Stop.
Okay.
Joe.
Oh, God.
Watch this. Trying to get satisfied. Ooh.
Ooh.
Trying to get satisfied.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wait. Tilt it.
Trying
Satisfied.
to get satisfied.
Ooh. This is ASMR. Actually feels so weird. Wait, I think it is actually turned to slime. Play with it. Oh god, it's going.
Doesn't feel like slime at all.
It's turned to slime.
Watch this.
Jacob, we made slime. Put it back. Hey guys, we actually made slime. Oh god, this.
It's weird. It's weird in the head.
Do it. Okay guys, if we do this, please can you give us 10 likes? Are we gonna do
Dude,
it?
how can one person give us 10?
Okay
All
guys,
of you guys watching better like.
Yeah.
And then I'll put this
we're
thing
gonna
on
put
my
this
head.
on our head. If you guys can subscribe, turn our post notifications on in 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you did that, guys,
Did you do it?
if you did it, oh god, actually it's not.
Did you do it?
Subscribe and comment down below. Swag Gang for Life
it?
and the Savages. 1,
Did you do it?
2, 3. I just had my hair done. Oh god.
Wait.
Oh god, it just.
I believe.
Guys, look what happened.
Oh god. Jared!
So yeah, we did that for you guys. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.